Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram notes with floating heart effects. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and in the search bar just simply search for Instagram. If there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. After updating, open the Instagram application and go to your inbox. Tap on this message icon in the top right corner. Or what else you can do is, if you tap on this profile picture in the bottom right corner here, now in the top left corner of your profile you can tap on this notes here or inbox. This is where you can create a new note that your friends will see. To add the Valentine's heart effects, simply type your note and select the heart color you want. As soon as you do this, a few floating hearts will appear on the screen, making your message extra special for anyone who taps on it. So that's how to share Instagram notes with floating heart effects. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.